I'm going to downstairs.
Minus, stop running and hit me in the living room. You made me hurt so much.
Man, I can't believe that Minus hit me in living room by he running. I think I still hurt so much. So what should I do? I know, I'm going to put Minus to the washing machine and turn on the washing machine to kill that dog. Ha 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 ha. Hey BB.
Oh, hi boy. What do you want? Are you trying to ground me for this?
Do you see your dog Minus?
No, I don't see my dog Minus.
Okay, never mind.
I'm okay then.
I found you Minus, now come to me right now.
Uh-oh, I think Minus got trouble. Minus, are you okay? Oh, I'm so glad you okay. And what happened? What? Oh my god. I can't believe you doing this. I'm telling Ripple about this. Ripple, get the laundry room right now.
BB, what just happened here?
Classic Poko put my dog Minus to the washing machine and trying to kill him. I'm so glad I'm saved Minus.
Classic Poko, get the laundry room right now.
I'm coming Ripple, and why are you mad?
Classic Poko, BB said to me about you put his dog Minus to washing machine and trying to kill him. Is this true?
Yes, I did. Why? Because Minus during running and hit me in living room, so I had to put him to washing machine for revenge.
Classic Poko, are you jerk? I cannot believe you put Minus to the washing machine. You made him injured because of you. For this, you are grounded for more 950 years. Now go straight to bed right now.
I hate Minus so much.
Oh, Minus. Get attacked Classic Poko.
That's hurt so much. Stop attacking me right now.